Stock Market News brought to you by Stockbrokers Zambia Limited.
My name is Lusekelo and I'm anchoring this week's stock market update. The Luse Stock Market Index performance. In the trading week ended 11th July 2025, the Luse All Share Index closed at 20,445.99 points. On a year-to-date basis, the Luse Index is up 32.41% in Kwacha terms and up 58.09% in USD terms. In comparison with the African stock markets, the South Africa JSE All Share Index is up 0.14%, whilst the Nairobi All Share Index is up 0.45%. Gainers and losers in the week. On gainers, ACI gained 12 kwacha 88 ingwe and closed at 65 kwacha. CEC gained 62 ingwe and closed at 21 kwacha 62 ingwe. REIS USD REIT gained 1 cent and closed at 9 cents. Zamefa gained 2 kwacha and closed at 12 kwacha. On losers, Puma lost 39 ingwe and closed at 4 kwacha 60 ingwe. Standard Chartered lost 1 ingwe and closed at 2 kwacha 74 ingwe. And Zambia lost 6 ingwe and closed at 1 kwacha 99 ingwe. Turnover and market activity. Total trading turnover on the Luse in the week was 15.81 million kwacha, of which CEC contributed 93.93%, followed by Zanaco with a contribution of 2.63%. The market recorded a total of 788 trades in the week under review.
Investors Diary. The Stock Market Investors Diary is brought to you by Stockbrokers Zambia. Cautionary announcements.
The following companies have issued cautionary announcements: Zambia, Madison Financial Services, and CC Africa. For details of these cautionary announcements, please refer to the Stockbrokers Zambia website at www.spz.com.zm. Buy, sell positions in the market. The following bids have been placed in the market should you wish to sell your shares. Pamozi, 560,000 shares at 4 kwacha 62 ingwe. The following offers are currently for sale on the market should you wish to make a purchase. REIS USD REIT, 8.7 million shares at 9 cents. Please email trading at spz.com.zm for the full list of currently available offers and bids. Social media engagement platforms. Stockbrokers Zambia Limited has the following social media platforms which are open for client and or public engagement: WhatsApp, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Feel free to follow our weekly podcast on Spotify and YouTube at Stockbrokers Zambia Limited.
Understanding the stock market. A brief guidance brought to you by Stockbrokers Zambia Limited.
The number of individuals who are investing in shares by opening brokerage accounts is increasing steadily day by day. It is therefore pleasing to see the increasing interest by the Zambian public to invest part of their earnings and income in shares of companies listed on the Lusaka Stock Exchange. Investing in shares is another way of saving your money, saving for a rainy day, as we often say. When investors buy shares, they expect to get a benefit at some point in the future. That benefit comes in the form of dividends and in the form of growth in the value of the investment. Companies declare dividends if the company has made profits. Dividends are therefore a distribution of profits to shareholders. Growth of the investment arises when the share price increases steadily over time, and an investor can decide to sell the shares and unlock the value arising from the increase in the share price. The question that most people who want to invest in shares ask is, how do I start? The first step when you want to invest in shares is to contact a broker. Second step is to open a broking account with the broker that you have selected. And the third step is to discuss with your broker the various companies that are on the Luse and then decide which company you wish to invest in. There you have it. Investing in shares is another way to save for a rainy day, and many people are steadily opening broking accounts to start their journey of investing in shares via the stock exchange. Call in at Stockbrokers Zambia and find out how you too can take part in the growth of the Zambian economy via the Lusaka Stock Exchange. By buying or selling shares of government bonds, have a successful investment week.
Stock Market News brought to you by Stockbrokers Zambia Limited.